This is a Solera powered awning. Why I like this product is because it simplifies some of the processes for ourselves here in the shop and also for the do-it-yourselfer, because there's no wiring. Plug-in charger just like the DeWalt drill. What makes this special is this is a great item for upgrades because you can utilize these arms to upgrade your existing Dometic or Carefree manual awning, or buy the fabric and tube with it and you just put it on. Mounts up, plug it in, let it charge into any 110 outlet, and then once it's charged, one switch operation. Runs her out with a variable pitch arm so you can adjust your pitch once it's out and make it really, really nice to sit under. What makes this great is really for the DIY guy, because he can get out here with a partner, a couple of ladders, they can set this all up and install it, and they'll have themselves an extra awning, or converting an awning, or adding an awning. We'd love for you to come out here to Wade's RV, see myself, John, and parts, see our service department, come see our sales guys if you're in need for a new RV, come see us.